channel, guys. How you doing? If this is your first time of seeing me, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my videos as soon as I drop them. Sister Kayla, can you let us hear a word? Thank you. Look at you, Mama. Look at you, Mama. She wouldn't let me do anything. This girl just been so fussy all day. And I said today, I must shoot this video, whether you like it or not. So yes, we shoot together. There was this one time when I was much younger, growing up days. So at that time, my dad had an accident. It was quite serious, almost claimed his life, but thank God, child. He was fine, just broke his leg, so he couldn't work. He couldn't walk and he couldn't work. So we were kind of, my mom wasn't doing anything serious. She was a petty trader, so she was kind of just selling in front of the compound. Now we don't be a job, but we didn't grow up, in all those Lekki and co. So she used to sell in front of the compound, and what was she selling then? I think she used to sell fruits that in season, any food that was in season, corn, orange, and all that stuff. So it was a petty business, and there was really nothing coming in from it. So my dad, being being the main breadwinner of the family, had an accident, and really everything just crumbled. Really, and that year was like a defining year for us as children, for I and my siblings. So one of those days when there was nothing to it, my mom used to have a friend. We used to be best of friends, and she was an Ijebu woman. So that day there was no food to eat. We were very hungry, and we had just little beans that was left. I think we made it the day before, and it was just having very little. So this woman said that she should use the beans to do Dikpon for us. That was the first time I was hearing the word Dikpon, and I'm like, what's that? So she said it was Dikpon made from beans, gari, and a little bit of sugar, if you like. So yeah, I did a recipe video. I did a short video rather of how this Dikpon is prepared. I prepared it last week, and I just had to do a video. It's a very funny food, but trust me, when I tasted it once, I didn't stop making it. It's a perfect, a beautiful way. Don't let me say perfect. It's a beautiful way to actually reuse or restructure your leftover beans. So yeah, it's made from beans, gari, and sugar. So that was how this woman made Dikpon for us for the first time. I remember how I and my siblings were reacting. We were so pissed. We were so like, this woman, if you just let us chop our beans like that, and just make gari or something, or buy bread. Of course, there was not much buy bread, but make the gari like that. Why did you have to create this concoction for us? We tried it. It was lovely. It was the fact that it was beans and gari, but it was hot. Made sense. It was so sweet, so lovely, so So from that time, we started making Dikpon as a side meal. When you just don't have anything to do with the beans. And then there's a spare gari in the house. But that's the Ijebu gari though, not the yellow gari. It's very delicious. So if you're looking for a way to restructure your leftover beans, I'm going to beat Kayla today. Kayla, Mama, I will beat you. To restructure your leftover beans, that's actually a very perfect way. So yeah, that was how we learned to eat Dikpon.